How to use a hollow hydraulic torque wrench. The components include the wrench body, variable diameter sleeve, hydraulic pump station, and high-pressure hose. Set the pump station pressure according to the torque table. Now set 40 megapascal, corresponding to 3000 Newton-meter. Idle to check if the oil circuit is smooth. Next, proceed with the operation. The reaction arm requires a support point. Because the preset pressure indicates that the bolt is tightened when it cannot rotate. To loosen the bolt, just turn the wrench upside down.